Let's Green, Digital and Animate Rural Inclusive Territories. Funded by the European Union. Views and opinions expressed are, however, those of the authors only and do not necessarily reflect those of the European Union or the ANPCDEFP. Neither the European Union nor the ANPCDEFP can be held responsible for them. Module 3. Create and maintain relations with community stakeholders. Story. Embracing change, mastering adaptability and flexibility in rural development.
Setting the stage.
Hello, Taylor. As you are aware, we have been working on the community center renovation project for the past few months, and we have encountered some difficulties. This remodeling job will put our flexibility to the test. Our plans must be flexible enough to accommodate unforeseen obstacles and changes in the availability of resources. Anticipating change and being ready with adaptable answers are key components of adaptability.
So, staying agile and proactive is key to handling the uncertainties of this project.
Adapting to challenges.
These structural problems are unexpected but manageable. We must adopt a flexible strategy, reviewing our timetable and available resources. Here, being flexible means coming up with different ways to accomplish our renovation objectives, without sacrificing quality or safety.
Thus, it's about being creative in solving problems and willing to change our methods.
Financial flexibility.
We need to reallocate our budget to pay additional costs in light of these new issues. In financial management, adaptability is essential. It involves setting spending priorities and identifying economical solutions that allow us to complete the project on schedule.
Consequently, adapting our budget requires strategic thinking and a willingness to compromise on non-essential expenditures.
Engaging new expertise.
We need to bring in additional expertise due to the complexity of the project. On project management, adaptability entails knowing when to call on outside assistance. It all comes down to using your creativity and being willing to work with others to advance the project.
We need to bring in additional expertise due to the complexity of the project.
Balancing needs and goals.
We must be flexible in our communication in order to address the concerns of the community. Our strategies must be flexible enough to accommodate their demands, and we must actively listen to their input. The key to being flexible in community participation is to establish responsiveness and trust.
So, being flexible in this context is about balancing community needs with our project goals.
Design adaptation.
Despite being unforeseen, these design modifications present a chance to enhance the center's usability. Being open to superior options, even if they diverge from our initial concept, is what it means to be flexible in design. It's about making adjustments to make an area that really benefits the community.
Adapting our design involves a willingness to embrace new ideas and make them work within our constraints.
Adapting to delays.
Complex projects frequently include delays. In order to be flexible in project management, we must realistically modify our time frame while preserving project pace. It all comes down to managing your time well and maintaining team spirit in the face of obstacles.
Adapting to delays means not just rescheduling but also managing the team's morale and productivity.
Overcoming obstacles.
We need to be as adaptive and agile as possible to overcome these last obstacles. It involves organizing the team, finding quick solutions to problems, and persevering through to completion. It's critical to stay upbeat and solution-focused during these last phases.
So, overcoming these last-minute challenges is about staying determined and agile, keeping our end goal in sight.
Celebrating success.
We've finished the renovation successfully since we were able to adjust and be flexible throughout the project. As I think back on this adventure, it becomes evident how important these abilities are to community growth. They helped us overcome obstacles, come to sensible decisions, and complete a project that benefits the community as a whole.
I've learned the value of flexibility and adaptation via this project. I've learned how to welcome change with an open mind and see it as a chance for development and advancement.
Scenario realized by Synthesis Center for Research and Education.
Technical design realized by Edu4.